Okay, we're out to try something new for the YouTube channel today. That's not what we're looking for. Alright, we are out to try something new for YouTube today. We are gonna try treasure hunting in the river in Trondheim here. It's about 14 degrees outside and colder in the water, so we're wearing a neoprene suit to stay warm and just gonna go down and see what we find. As you see, the weather isn't that nice, but I'm gonna be in the water anyway, so it doesn't really affect me. It does give you a little bit less view underwater because it's darker. Since we're not going that deep, I don't think it will be a problem. It's more an issue for Mikkel Movie Maker, who is going to be standing onshore filming. I was thinking about taking out the clothes at home, but that would be really warm to drive in the 7mm suit, neoprene suit, all the way down here. So we'll be doing the diving around here. There's a lot of boats there, meaning a lot of people will drop things in the water, probably. Trying to find a place that is not so highly populated. That's what I'm meaning. Because since I'm gonna change my clothes. Also trying to avoid the cameras. Yeah, here we have a place. So Michael Movie Maker is a bit delayed, so I'm just gonna be changing my clothes before he comes. This is soap water, so I need to put soap water inside the diving suit to be able to get it on. They're quite tight, so you need soap to make them slide on smoothly. Just talked to Mikkel here now, he's on his way. We're approaching right now. Really cold. This is to make a seal so I don't get cold water rushing up. See, the water is a bit dirty today, so I don't know if we'll see anything down there. Test if I float or sink with this, because I haven't used this suit before for diving. If I have too much lead, I might not come back up, which is not ideal for this, what we're trying to achieve. I think I can do with one less. Found a shopping trolley, but I can't really take that up. I'm gonna try on the other side. There's no visibility at all here. And if it's nothing there, we try in the river. There's a bit of current in the river right now, so it's not ideal. Totally normal to walk around like this in the city. found an ashtray. Found the bike. That was nothing under there. I found one coin and it's worth nothing. It's the old Norwegian coin. It's very disappointing. In the car, can't be naked inside the garage. Don't know what cameras or wherever they have situated around here. Now I have to hurry up, I'm a bit late. I am going to dinner with Melanie and her family. Her mother just delivered her PhD and they are celebrating that now. She's been working on that for years. I really shouldn't be late for this. 51, supposed to be there in 8 minutes. So I think that's it for today. I have been thinking about doing a bit more of this treasure hunting underwater in the rivers here, or in fjord and different places. Just haven't had time, and today was a really bad day for doing that because of the rain. The visibility was 0. But I'll try to go out again tomorrow or the day after and see if we can find something else. Well, that's it for today, and please let me know in the comment field if you like more underwater treasure hunting in the future.